If you want your footage to look like it's being recorded through a real camera, there's a built-in effect in DaVinci Resolve that makes this super easy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a realistic camera recording effect using just a couple of simple settings. Let's get started. First, drag your clip onto the timeline. Then go to the Effects library, open the Effects tab, and find the camera effect. Once you see it, drag it directly onto your clip. Now click on your clip and head over to the Inspector panel. You'll see the effect settings there. There are only a couple of controls, but how you use them makes a big difference. Let's start with battery level. This setting controls the battery icon that appears on screen. If you lower it, it looks like the camera is running out of battery. If you keep it high, it feels like a normal recording. For most cases, keeping it near full looks clean and realistic. But if you're trying to create tension or a cinematic moment, lowering the battery can add a bit of story to your shot. Next is overlay color. This changes the color of the camera interface elements. Most real cameras use white, green, or sometimes red for recording indicators. If you want a standard look, stick with white or a subtle green. Bright or unusual colors can make the effect feel less authentic. Now here's where you can make it feel more real. Play back your clip and think about how an actual camera behaves. The effect works best when your footage matches the style. Slight handheld movement or natural motion helps sell the look. Also, avoid overusing the effect. It's more convincing when used in short moments rather than across an entire video. One small thing that improves realism is consistency. If you're using this effect across multiple clips, keep the same overlay color and similar battery level so it feels like it's all from the same camera. Once everything looks good, preview your clip and make small adjustments if needed. And that's it. You've created a simple and realistic camera recording effect using DaVinci Resolve. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more easy and practical editing tutorials.